Shirley from ShiFio Patterns here today, and I'm going to show you how to knit this beautiful lace design. It's called Lace Wings seemingly, and it is 7 stitches per section and 2 edge stitches, a 4-row repeat, so it is quite easy to learn. There it is there. Look lovely on a baby's cardigan. Even make it up as a blanket and use it as a shawl. There's the back. Not a lot to it, just plain basically. There we go. So that's what we're going to do. And let's get started then. I'm going to take this out of the way. And we're going to do it in the lilac. As I said, 4-row repeat, and every second row is a purl row. So let's get started. So the first stitch is a slip stitch. I find that slipping the first stitch, purling the last one, gives you a nice edge at the side. That's what I think anyway. So slip the first stitch and then you repeat, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip 1, knit 1, pass slip stitch over, knit 1. That's your repeat to your last stitch. So that's your edge stitch. Then it's knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip 1, knit 1, pass slip stitch over, knit 1. And we'll do that again. Knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over needle, knit 1, yarn over needle, slip 1, knit 1, pass slip stitch over, knit 1, purl your last stitch. There we go. This is row 2. Again, slip your first stitch, purl every stitch. To the end. Now row 3 is slip your first stitch, and then the repeat is knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, slip 1, knit 1, pass slip stitch over. That's your repeat. So that's your edge stitch there. That's your knit 2 together, yarn over needle, knit 3, yarn over needle, slip 1, knit 1, pass slip stitch over. Right, let's do that once more. Knit 2 together, yarn over needle, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over needle, slip 1. I never knitted that in the I never purled it, I should say, in the last row. So that's slip 1, knit 1, pass slip stitch over, purl your last stitch. Have to keep reminding myself to do that. So, and this is row 4, which is slip 1 and purl every stitch to the end. Ooh. Let's have a look at that. That's your 4 rows, basically. Very easy to do, isn't it? Really easy. Well, I think so anyway. Right, well, I get the bigger swatch in so you can see it. Oops. There we go. Looks a lot better when it's done in a bigger swatch, and because they're just 7 stitches, you can just put your 7 stitches, choose where you want to put them on whatever you're making, like baby's cardigan or whatever. Put a section at the front. That'd be very nice. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, like, subscribe, share, comment if you wish, and happy knitting.